Hello friends, we are going to perform the practical study of non-inverting op-amp. Aim: design the non-inverting amplifier using an op-amp of a given gain. The given gain is equal to AV is equal to 3 and RF, that is feedback resistance, is given as a 10K. This is the diagram of non-inverting op-amp. Here IC 741 is used as op-amp IC. The input is given to the pin number 3, that is non-inverting terminal. The inverting terminal is grounded through the input resistance Ri. The feedback resistor is connected between non-inverting input and output. The output voltage is taken between 6 number pin and ground. The plus VCC of plus 9 volt is connected to pin number 7 and minus VEE, that is minus 9 volt, is connected to pin number 4. So this is the designing part. Given gain is 3 and RF is 10K. So we need to calculate the value of Ri. So this circuit provides us a gain of 3. For that, we used here the formula of gain for non-inverting op-amp, that is AV is equal to 1 plus RF divided by Ri. We rearrange this formula to get the value of Ri. So the Ri is equal to Rf divided by AV minus 1. We substitute the value of Rf and AV. So the Ri is equal to 10K divided by 3 minus 1. Therefore Ri is equal to 10K divided by 2 and Ri is equal to 5K. So we use the Ri of 5K and Rf of 10K and design this circuit. The observation table for the experiment is here. We apply 3 different input voltages and read out the output for each input voltage and calculate the gain, and then we calculate the mean of the gain, and then we compare the given gain with the observed gain. We design this circuit in Proteus simulation software. We import the components from here and search the component through the keyword IC 741, that is op-amp. It shows in our part list here. We need a resistor and battery to apply the inputs. Okay, now we will place all the components. Start from op-amp IC 741. We place the input voltage, place the resistor, input resistor Ri and feedback resistor here. We need to measure the output voltage, so we place the DC voltmeter. We need to apply the plus VCC and minus VEE. We get it from here, DC source, and ground. Okay, now we will connect all the components. I will change the name of this resistor to Ri and change the value of Ri to 5k. Name of this resistor to R here and its value is 10k. We set the minus VEE supply to minus 9 volt, which is applied to 4 number pin, and plus VCC supply to 9 volt, which is applied to 7 number pin. Okay. The first observation, we need to apply the input voltage of 1 volt. So we set the input voltage VI to 1 volt. We run the simulation and we get the output voltage 3 volt mentioned here. Second observation, Vi is 1.5. We change the Vi to 1.5 volt and run the simulation. We get the output voltage 4.5 volt. We note down here 4.5 volt. For third observation, Vi is 2 volt. So we change Vi to 2 volt. Run the simulation. We get the voltage, output voltage 6 volt. We note down here 6. Now we will calculate the gain for each reading. So for first observation, VO is 3 and VI is 1. So VO upon VI, that is 3 divided by 1, is equal to 3. For second, 4.5 divided by 1.5 is equal to also 3. For third observation, 6 divided by 2, it is also 3. So mean gain of these 3 observations is equal to 3. The given gain is equals to 3 and we observed the gain is also 3. So these two gains are exactly same. So we can say that the op-amp IC 741 can be used as a non-inverting amplifier. Thank you.